Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We're back again, and what we're doing this time around is I've got an Audi S3 or a 2015, 14, 15 kind of thing, and we're going to go ahead and replace the headlight bulb. Absolutely stupid design, whoever designed this headlight bulb. Okay, let's go. First thing first, what we'll do is we'll take the battery lead off, 10mm socket ratchet extension or a spanner, whatever you've got. Take one side off, and yeah, make sure you do that because these are the DS3 bulbs on this one, the xenon ones. Basically, so much voltage going through it, you don't want to get a belt off it by accident. If you do, you are going to feel it. So best thing to do, take the battery lead off and we'll go from there. Right, let's do it. Right, okay, the next thing what you're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the wheel off. I mean, if you're doing it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe. Get the axle stand, jack it up, block and everything. You know the drill. So basically, we're going to take this off, pull that off, right, and we'll take them 5 off. There's supposed to be 5, but obviously we've got one missing. But we'll take them 4 off. 17mm. Let's go. Right. Okay. So basically, I've already started taking it off. You're supposed to have 2 Torx 25 there. Take them off. We'll take these clips off. Well, you don't need to take them clip off. I don't think they're going on to anything. Let's have a look. No, they're not going on to anything. So basically, we'll go underneath here. Okay, take these Torx 25 off. This wheel arch cover, we don't need to take the full cover off. We'll take half of it off. This one here, this one here. So basically, we can just move it out of the way and we can gain access to the back of the headlight, which is there. And then, yeah, hopefully replace the bulb. Let's go. Okay, as you can see there, I've got the wheel arch cover 99% off. I mean, down here you've got 2 little like plastic rivets. If I drill them out, I'll have to put new rivets on. So you don't really need to take it off completely. That will do because we can gain access inside there. Okay, and there is the headlight bulb. So all we do, anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, twist that. Boom, that comes off. And as you can see there, inside here, there is the bulb. That's where it lives. Right, okay, there we have it. There's the bulb, as you can see there. And I can't reiterate how dangerous this could be, right? So basically, I've got some rubber latex gloves on, as you can see there, right? Also, took the battery lead off. Make sure you take the battery lead off because you don't want to get a belt off that. As you can see there, caution, right? And yeah, high voltage. So yeah, make sure. If I don't see you in my next video, right? So yeah, you know what to do. Pray for me. Right, so anyway, what you do is you get your hands in there like that. Right, okay, there's the bulb, and yeah, what you need to do is so what we need to do is, can you see them little clips there? Let's see if my phone will just focus. There we go. That clip and that clip, we're going to push them back, and they go into a cutout, which I can't really show you guys because I can't get the phone or camera in there. Right, so we're going to push these clips back. So basically, push down and then up, yeah, and then same with this one as well. This one very hard to show you guys, but when you get to it, you'll see it. So again, we need to get this one off as well. One's off, the other one is not playing ball. So
a few moments later,
as you can see there, I've took the clips off. I couldn't really show you guys how to take the clips off. Basically, just push them inwards and they should come off. Basically, I had to get my hand in there, so there's no 2 ways about it. But let me get this bulb out. Obviously, take the wire off the bulb as well. And as you can see there, you'll see the design of the clip there. Okay, so once the bulb's in, it'll basically go over the bulb, and it clips onto the side of the bulb. Okay. So yeah, I mean, there's no way in hell I can show you guys because I have to get my hand in there and I can't get the camera in there as well at the same time. So it is what it is. I mean, when you get to it, you will see it and hopefully make your way around it and it should be okay. So anyway, let's get the new bulb. And yeah, not cheap bulbs, so be careful you don't drop the bulb or anything like that. So yeah, let's get the new bulb on. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see there, I've got the new bulb back in there. I'm sorry guys, I know I couldn't show you guys and do it at the same time because when I get my hand in there, it's covering everything up. So basically, you put the bulb in, and them clips, that clip and that clip, they come downwards, and then they push onto another clip. So basically, that's it. I'm sorry if if it didn't help you guys, but hopefully it'll give you a little bit of indication. And yeah, right, let's get the wire back on. That's going to be another mission. Get the wire back on, get everything else back on. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see there, there's the bulb, the old bulb. I'm just going to try demonstrating. So basically that's the bulb, okay? Because I can't show you guys where the clip goes in, the clip needs to go in between the bulb, the ballast and the bulb, base of the bulb, that groove there. I'm going to get my assistant to hold the bulb for me. You just hold that bulb. So pretend now, right, so pretend that's the clip, okay? So the clip will have to go in between there like that. You flick it over the bulb and then into the cutout, and that will hold the bulb against the headlight. I mean, very, very hard to show you guys unless I take the full headlight off, which means take the bumper off and everything. More job for me. So yeah, so once you get to it, you will see it, you will make it out. It's not the hardest thing in the world, but if you take the headlight off totally, you can see it properly. I would say just fiddle about with it, and hopefully you should get the clip in there, push it over the little cutout, it should be all right. Right, let's get the wire back on, let's go. Okay guys, as you can see there, I've still got the wheel arch cover off, the wheel off and everything, just in case it doesn't work, then you'll have to take everything off again. So basically just try it before you put everything back on again. Right, so what we're gonna do is we've got the side light on, let's get the headlights on. Boom, there we go, happy days. We can see where we're going now. Right, let's refit everything in reverse order, the wheel arch covers, things like that. And yeah, I'm sorry, I know this has not been the most clearest video ever, but I'll be straight honest with you, I've not seen that many S3 headlight bulb replacement on YouTube, so this could be a first actually. Anyway, let's go. Well, there we have it guys, all done and dusted. I'll be straight honest with you, not the easiest job in the world, not for the faint-hearted, this headlight bulb replacement. I mean, if you ever come across it, basically somebody comes in, oh, can we replace my headlight bulb? £5, yeah, no. Right, good money, right? You need to charge them good money because it's not the easiest bulb in the world. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Okay, I don't think this will help you guys out. I mean, it might give you an indication, but you know, I tried my best. Okay, so anyway, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.